Hey, this is Scott with Beam Truck Parts. I'm here to show you an install video of one of our dome light plates with a Roadworks watermelon light in a 2012 GMC Sierra Extended Cab. So the plate that we're using here is a PI0007. It's actually designed for a Peterbilt 387 and 587 semi-truck. So let me start with popping this dome light out. So with this, what you want to do is you want to get a flathead screwdriver and just pop it in the driver's side, and once you snap that down, it releases the right-hand side, and then you just shove it to the left, and then the whole thing just pulls right down. Well, this is already disconnected because we pre-wired it, but there's just a connector plug that you pull out for this. So now that we have that out of the way, let me show you the wiring on the plate itself. So like I said, we have a Roadworks light here. This is a purple to white Roadworks light, and it's a dual function, dual color. So the purple has a high and a low function, and then the white is a single function. And then we have a three-way switch on here that goes center and then up and then down. So on the back, this is the important piece. Really easy wiring, but out of the back of that Roadworks light, there are 4 wires. So there's the neutral or the ground, which is the white wire. There is the dim primary color, so the dim purple, which is the black wire. And then we have the yellow wire and the red wire. One of these is the white and one of these is the high purple. And what we have pre-wired into here, into the center of the switch, is power to go to the truck. So what's really cool about this setup is we actually created a custom mount for this in the truck. And what this custom mount does, it's a backing plate that goes on the inside of the headliner, and it doesn't require you to drill any holes into the actual headliner. So this is a direct fitment, exact same size as this plate. It's got threaded ends here, and this will sit inside there, and we'll thread it in, and it'll be a pressure fit to the headliner. These we do not currently offer on our website. But if you're doing a similar application or an application where you want something to easily pressure fit in there, just let us know, give us a call, reach out on Facebook or TikTok. We can get you set up with something. So what we're going to do first is we're going to insert this in here, and we're actually going to get some of these screws pre-started because this has got some flex to it, so it'll be easier to mount and to slide in there. So I'm just going to get a couple screws just started in there. Like I said, these thread right in. Then what I'll do before I slide anything in, I'll get this wired. So on this truck, we're gonna do, it's red to red, it's white to black, and the red wire we have is just an extra lead that we have. And then we have the black to gray, so you can see the dome light's already on. And then what we want to do is we want to just slide that in there. And then we can finish lining it up once we get all the screws in. And the screws we use for this to mount is an 832. And that's a perfect fitment for the plate, and then also a perfect fitment for the mounting bracket that we used. So again, we did not have to drill into the headliner at all. This is a really nice fit, perfect for this truck. You could go back to OE if you wanted to, if you were going to sell the truck and you wanted to take the plate with you, you got something different, whatever you wanted to do. So what's nice now is I can slide it around, make sure it's centered perfectly before I get that pressure fitment complete, and then I can just finish that pressure fit. So now switch it to bright purple, switch it to white. We have our dome light plate. Easy install. Again, the biggest thing what we did to make the install easier is we put bullet plugs on the ends of the wires within the truck, and then we put bullet plugs on the ends of the wires from the light, where they come with bullet plugs already. Plug them straight in, then it's plug and play operation from there. So that's again, this is a beam dome light plate in a 2012 GMC Sierra. Give us a call or shoot us an email or check us out on Facebook, TikTok, or our website at beamtruckparts.com to get one of yours in your truck today.